Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. I have another soap recipe for you based on popular demand. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, just take your seat and enjoy the video. Special shout out to my subscribers, you are simply the best. We'll go right into the video. First on the list is our Ghana black soap, our African Ghana black soap. And in this video, like I said, I'll be showing you how you can melt your black soap very easy, no heat. Okay, so this black soap is quite easy to crumble. You may want to cut it into dices with your knife, but for me it's easy for me to just crumble it with my hand. Next we are going to be using is the pink ozone soap. The pink ozone soap. I'll just leave benefits of all of the ingredients I'll be using for the soap right on the screen so that we would be faster with this video. So I'll be using half of this pink ozone soap for my black soap. I'm using a whole black soap. So as you can see also that it's easy to crush and break, while you can also grate it for easy disintegration, but it's quite easy for me to just break them with my hands. So this is our Ghana green soap, also known as anti-reaction soap. It's quite harder than the black soap and the ozone soap that I've just disintegrated, and that is why I'm using a knife to cut it. So straight up, we're going to put it in our mixing bowl. We're going to put all of this in our mixing bowl and add the other ingredients that we'll be using for the soup. Guys, you know that this recipe is very good. It's tested and trusted. Believe me, it's going to give you what you're looking out for. I'm using this measuring cup. It is 1/8. That's like about a teaspoon and a half. And I'm measuring in my ground rice. This is rice. Rice has lots of benefits for your skin. It's good for brightening. It helps to boost your collagen production also. Rice is very good for your skin. So I'm using about a tablespoon and just a little. Next we'll be adding is camwood. Camwood has lots of benefits for your skin, a whole lot of benefits, and I'll leave all of those benefits on your screen so that you can get the reason why we are using camwood in this mixture. So I use just 2 of it in this mixture. Next is the orange peel. This is orange peel, good for exfoliating your skin and cleansing your skin. Next is our sandalwood, and I'm using the same measurement for each. Sandalwood reduces wrinkles, clears acne also, and fades dark spots, so it's very good in this soap. Next is turmeric, same measurement, about a teaspoon and a half. We all know the benefits of turmeric. Turmeric is a miracle powder that brightens your skin and fades dark spots. Neem powder. In fact, neem powder's benefit is endless. General skin wellness. Neem will help with eczema, rashes, or any skin issues that you may have. We'll be adding activated charcoal in this soap. Activated charcoal draws out dirt from your skin. It clears up oil buildup on your skin, which is very good for oily skin. It cleanses your skin very well. Then to melt our soap, we'll be using fermented rice water. Yes, fermented rice water has lactic acid in it. So instead of using ordinary water to melt your soap, which will not even be adding, any nutrient to your soap, we are using fermented rice water. You know that even kojic acid, which is one of the things we're going to be adding to this soap, can be gotten from rice. So we use rice powder, fermented rice water, and we'll be adding kojic acid. Guys, fermented rice water is very, very good for your skin. Very, you can look up the benefits of this. So the quantity that I used was about this measuring cup, 1 full cup and a half. You can just say 2 cups of it. We're going to be adding our glycerin to this vegetable glycerin to this mixture. So I'm using the same measurement, about just a cup of this. You can make it 2 cups if you want it to be extra moisturizing, but I'm using a cup for this. So this is our kojic acid. Like I said, the measurement is a tablespoon and a half for this. Kojic acid helps in hyperpigmentation. It helps also to clear your acne. It's also brightening. It has brightening properties. So this soap is a 3-in-1 action soap, and you'll be seeing results sooner than you even expect using this soap. So this is what the soap looks like. Now we're going to cover it and leave it overnight so that the fermented rice water can actually, melt the soap, and then we'll be back. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the next day. It's not looking so pretty, but we're going to put in the work. We're going to mix it like a bar using a spatula. This is my old food scrub. I'm just using the end to turn it. You can see that it's quite easy to mix. So what we're just going to be doing here is to mix all of these ingredients together. Mixing and mixing. That's what we are doing here. And you pay attention so that you don't let it spill. You don't lose any part of your soap. Guys, I know this is my bragging rights, but just peep at my glow, peep at my skin. Look at the skin. The skin is skinning. If you missed my glow soap, if you can check my channel, I'll just leave the description. I'll leave details in the description box on how you can make black soap with turmeric, lemon, and carrot. If you missed that one, I would advise you to also take a look at that and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you. Every ingredient in this black soap has been carefully searched out and has proven to help wrinkles, anti-aging, acne, hyperpigmentation, and will cleanse your skin very, very well. I don't know how many of us do not like the idea of having to take a bath and you still feel like I haven't had my bath properly. Well, this is how the soap is looking after some time of mixing. And after now, we'll be adding our oils into the soap. So for our oil, we'll be using rose hip, which helps in clearing acne and shrinking pimples. 1 teaspoon of this oil in this mixture. This is our carrot and turmeric oil. 1 teaspoon of this mixture. It helps in brightening your skin. Also, in addition to the turmeric powder that we put in the soap already. This is palm kernel oil. Helps in protecting the skin from UV damages like a sunscreen, and also moisturizing the skin like coconut oil. We will be adding chamomile oil for calmness of the skin. It's very, very good. And shea butter, melted shea butter, which acts as an emulsient. It softens your skin. We all know what shea butter does for our skin. This is about a teaspoon and a half. So next we'll just mix all of the oils with the soap. Gently, nice and smooth. Now it gets easier in the mixing because more liquids have been added to this. This soap will clear your acne. It will give you an even tone. It's going to cleanse your skin properly. With all of the powders and oils in this soap, you're going to be getting the best from it. So here I'm adding vitamin E oil, 5 capsules of it. Just like palm kernel oil, it has an antioxidant property. and it protects your skin from sun damage and harmful UV radiations that can also be harmful to your skin. So next we are going in with our fragrance, and this is bubblegum fragrance. I'm using half cup full of this fragrance. If you want your soap to smell more, you can use one cup of this fragrance or any fragrance of your choice. Lastly, we'll be adding our preservative, a few drops of our preservative to keep our soap to last longer. And that's it, guys. We're just going to mix it for the final time, to mix it for the last time, and look at the goodness that we have. So if you have made it this far into this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more of this kind of videos. Now I always say that when you make your black soap, it's always advisable or best for you to leave it for about 2 weeks for it to cure. You've added lots of things into it and you need it to interact with each other so that you can get the result that you are looking out for. If you are in so much of a hurry, please let it just stay for at least a week, so that you really see what you're looking out for in this soap. Like me some chocolate muffins or ice cream with this beautiful toppings. Looks so pretty. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.